Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very fun DIY for you because I am going to make a board game, and when you're not playing it you can also use it as home decor. So I will show you what I've got here on my table. So here I have two picture frames, and my idea is to put them together like this, and then you will have a whole backgammon board. So here I have the paper I am going to use, of course my pencil and my ruler, and the colors that I'm going to paint it. I am going to paint the background this yellow, and all of the long triangle shapes I am going to do in a red and this very light blue. So now I'm going to measure everything and sketch the design. So I've drawn the borders around here, and that's going to be the part that's hidden underneath. And now I have to make 6 of the long shaped triangles on this side and that side, that side and that side. So the first one is done, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points on each side, and I'm going to do this one off camera. And then I am going to paint the background the yellow color, and when that's dry I am going to do the points in these colors. I'm going to let this dry. Of course something has to be put on here during the game, and I have my box full of wooden beads, and I have like the very small one and a little bigger ones, and I think these will fit here perfectly, but I have to give them a color because you have to know which ones are yours. So now I still have this paint. I am going to paint 15 of these in this warm orange color and 15 in the blue color. And now I'm going to decorate the picture frames, and my idea is to use the skewers and just put them on the edges and then a couple of them next to each other all around. And I think after I've done that the DIY is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked this DIY, and if you liked it, please push the like button, and if you want to see more you can also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. So in front of me on the table I have the first DIY, so just let's start with this one. Nee. So now I'm going to measure where everything will be. En ja, hoe zeg je dat?